Okay. So what we're gonna be using, you guys know what these are, right?
Yeah.
What are these?
Those are like multiplication stuff, counters,
counters.
divisions.
Division. They have a name. Blocks. Tens blocks. Yes, absolutely. So, okay. So this is the what?
One block.
Okay, and these are?
100.
And how about these?
10 blocks.
Tens blocks. Okay, very good. So we're going to be using this to divide today. Okay, we did it before, but we're going to practice it again. So the problem that I'm going to do and show you guys is 144 divided by 3. Okay, so we used these papers before to help us. So I'm going to write my problem at the top, which is 144 divided by 3, right?
Yes.
So if I'm doing 144 divided by 3, then how many groups on my paper do you think I need? Lizzie?
3.
3, absolutely. So I'm going to make big old circles. 1, 2,
So,
big old circles, right? 3. Right? Kind of making us like, right? All right. So now I'm going to pull out my 144. So I need 100 and 10. How many? 4. So 3, I have 4. And then how many ones?
4.
4 ones. Very good. Right? So I got all my blocks. Now, if I take my 100, can I fit 100 in each?
No.
Why not?
Because it's too big and the circle is a little bit small and 100 is bigger than like 3.
100 is bigger than 3, right? But why can't I fit 1 in each? Why can't I fit 1 in each?
Because it's only 100.
There's only 100, right?
There's
So
not
3.
there's not 3, exactly. So I can't fit 100 in each because we only have just 1. Okay, so how can I make it work? How can I make this work, right? Okay, Ruth, what do you think?
By using the tens and the ones.
Exactly, by using our 10s, right? So if I trade this for 10s, how many 10s do I need? Chelsea, how many 10s?
Maybe 100.
Oh, close. I see where your thinking's at, but I don't need 100 10s. That's way too many. That's almost saying like I'm pulling out 1,000. That's a lot, right? What do you think? Not 100, right? So this is 100. And then remember, how many of these make up this block? How many of those do we see? Lizzie? 10. Exactly, so we have 10. So that means I need to trade this in for 10 of these, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have 2, and I still need these, right? We're not just throwing those out. We're just gonna set them to the side right now.
I was just about to say you can probably use those too.
But I can't because they're still part of my problem, right? So here's 4, and then here's 6, and then here's 8, and then 9. So we need one more.
Come over there.
Okay, here's one over here. So we need one more. All right, got it. Boom. Okay, so now can I start putting these in here?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you think that's gonna work?
No.
Whoa. I
Yes.
hear yeses and
Yes.
nos. Tell me what you're thinking.
No, I don't know.
Okay, Chelsea, why do you say no?
Because, I forgot. Okay, I'm just going to say yes for now. I'm gonna
Okay.
say yes.
Ruth, what do you think?
I think it's like the tens.
Mhm.
The tens box is like bigger than 3, and it's like you have to separate them so you can get like you put 2 in each of them, so you don't have to put 10 of each.
Okay. Okay, I see what you're thinking, right? But remember, what are our groups? What do these represent? Why did we draw those circles? How did we do that, do you think? Chelsea?
So we can put the blocks in with 3 blocks and 3 blocks and 3 blocks.
Okay, so we can put our blocks in them, right? But what about our problem up here? Where did we get the 3 from? Where did we get it from? Ruth?
From the problem?
From our problem, right? So we're doing 144 divided by 3, right? So that's why we need 1, 2, 3 groups. Because we're taking this 144 and we're splitting it up,
Yeah.
right? We're dividing it into each other, right?
So that means like every one of them have to have 4.
I was just checking to make sure Anthony came back.
Yeah, he's here.
Because she texted me right at 1 o'clock to say that she wasn't available.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, bud.
So it's like we should put 4 in each of them.
We might be able to. Let's see. Let's see if we can do 4. Ready? 1. There's 4 there. There's 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, snap. Look at Ruth. Okay, so we got 4 in each. Now, can we keep going with these?
No.
And each get 1? No?
No.
Okay, so what do we do with these now?
Split, trade them for the ones.
Trade them for the 1s. Very good. Okay, so how many 1s do you think we need? Not just 2. Remember, how many 1s are in here? So this is a 1, right? 10. So how many do we need if we have 2 of these?
10.
20.
20. You got it, guys. Okay, 20. So, let's start counting these things. All right, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Whoops. 12. And then 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, 18, 19, 20. Boom. Okay.
So we have
you
24
mix them
now.
up.
You have
Huh?
24
You
now.
mix
You
them
just
up.
get 4.
That's okay. The 4 that were there are still part of our, we still have to divide those.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's okay if they're still over there, right? So Ruth, how many do we have to split?
We like have to split like each like 5 or something or 4.
You could. Should we start with 4? Chelsea, what do you think?
I think you should do 3.
Okay, maybe let's start with 3. Let's start a little smaller and just see what happens, right? So we have, okay, so we're gonna do 3 here, and then we'll do 3 in this one, and then we can do 3 here. Okay, so can we keep going?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try it again. So let's do 3 here, and then we can do 3 in
12.
there, and then another 3 there.
No.
Can we keep going with 3?
No.
No. What do we do?
We like
I think we need to add some more ones.
Ah, but we can't. We already have our 144 out here.
Oh,
So
I
we
think
stop?
we need to.
But we still have 6 left over.
I
So
think-
can we keep putting some in there?
no.
Why
Because
not?
because 6 is not enough for these 2 because those 3 because 6 is gonna fool 2 of them but not 3.
But what we're trying to do is distribute these evenly into our groups, right? So we still have 6 left to divide, right? So Chelsea, what do you think?
I think you need to add these ones with 1.
Okay, so let's try 1 at a time and see if we can. Okay, so 1, 1, 1. Can we do that one more time?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so 1, 1. Boom. Are we divided?
Yes.
Yes.
Does it look even?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many is in each group? How many is in each group? 7 ones? So each group, so like we have, how many 10s here?
We have 40 tens.
4 tens. Okay, so how many ones? These are our ones right here. So how many do we have here? Just in one of the groups. What do you think? You want to phone a friend? Or you...
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, phone a friend. 8. Yes, so that means, what number does that make? 4 tens, 8 ones.
144.
Well, we don't have any hundreds, we just have tens and ones.
48.
48. So that means 144 divided by 3 equals 48. Yes, 48, right?
These are actually pretty fun.
I know, right? I love them. So, yes, this equals 48. Okay, so now we're going to do this all together. All right, we're going to do a different problem, but now you guys are all going to have a paper and your own blocks. Okay, so Lizzie, there's your paper. And Chelsea, there's your paper.
Hello, yellow.
And I have another yellow for Ruth. And
Twinsies.
another purple, or blue.
Twinsies.
Okay, so we have a bunch of blocks over here, so if you want to, when we need some, we can grab some. Oh, I'm going to grab a different paper.
I don't want this so much small ones.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write our problem that we're going to solve at the top, just like I did before. All right, and the problem that we're going to do together now is 235, and we're going to divide by 5. Okay? So it should look like this up there.
So then you have to put 5 circles.
Lizzie's absolutely correct. So now we put our 5 circles, right?
Yes.
So we gotta do, and pretty big, but, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yeah.
I think this is a good amount of circles.
Yeah. So why did we have to do 5 again? Why are we doing 5 circles this time? What do you think, Ruth?
Because it's the problem that we have to do.
Aha, it's because we are dividing by 5. Yes, we're dividing by 5. Okay, so now how many blocks do we need to take out? How many blocks do we need to take out? Isabel, what do you think? Oh, our circles were just the 5. So for our blocks, we have to do it with the big number. What's the big number? Perfect. Okay, so here's the hundreds. There's some hundreds there. So I'm gonna pull out my 2. There's some more. And there's another one. You can start pulling stuff out. Yeah. Criswell, you got a box right there if you want to grab. Okay, so we need 2 hundreds. All right, Chelsea's got. And then Criswell, Ruth needs another 100.
You see this? You see those?
It smells like
Oh yeah. Huh?
it smells like chalk.
COE says
Okay, so 30. How many tens do we need? How many tens do we need here, Chelsea?
3.
3 tens, absolutely. So now we're gonna grab 3 tens. Here's 3. And then
Did you know for tens in here?
there's another 3 if you guys want. There's another 3. All right, thank you, Chelsea. And then now, how many ones do we need? How many ones do we need? 5 ones. Very good. Okay, so now here's some ones. You can grab some ones. I got 5 right here for sure. And then here's ones if you need it. Okay. Has everybody got 3 tens? Okay. Okay. So All right. So we have our 200s,
Yes.
right? 3 10s, 5 1s. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so can we fit 100 in each of our circles? No, we cannot. So what do we do? What do we need to do with our hundreds? Ruth, what do you think?
Trade them in for tens.
Trade them in for 10s, absolutely. So we have 200s this time. So how many 10s are we gonna need for that, Chelsea? What do you think?
2 for 20, and then
Ooh. So you said the number, but you said 2 numbers at once. So we're trading these 2 for how many 10s?
nine.
9? Okay, so well, how many 10s are in just one of the hundreds? Ruth, how many 10s are in just one?
10. So
10.
we're gonna use 20.
So we have to use 20 10s. Yeah, we gotta use 20 10s. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So now, start grabbing 10s. These are right here. These are here. We need 20 of them. 20 of those things.
Are we using these?
So that's a
ones?
lot.
No, these count.
Yeah, so no, you cannot use these with your 20. These are still a part of our problem, but it's not a part of our 20 that we're pulling out right now.
4, 6, 8, 10,
It takes so
6,
got all these 10s that we have.
10. Oh man, there's 20 right in that bag.
10. Yeah.
Does that happen to you too?
I got more than
have
20. I got
Alright.
22, I guess. Let me count them. Make sure they are.
Yeah, count, make sure what you just pulled out was 20.
4, 5,
Okay?
5,
I have 17.
5.
Oh, so you need a few more, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
18, 19.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Boom. Okay. I got it.
And
I got 10 in this one.
20.
So I hit
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you guys a second. You got it.
I finished with my 20.
Okay, you got your 20?
8, 9, 10.
All right.
So I got 20.
Okay. What you got?
I don't know.
Okay, so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to get to 20. So after 7 we have 8. Yeah.
9,
Mm-hmm.
10, 11,
Mm-hmm.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Perfect. Okay. So now we got to put our hundreds away. Now that we got those out, we got to put our hundreds away. So here's a baggie for that. And then, yep, Crystal's got a baggie for that.
So put it.
Thank you.
All right.
Put this away, Wood?
Oh, yeah. Got it. Okay. So we just pulled out 20 10s, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we should also have 3 over here with 5, right?
Yes.
Hiding. Okay. So I'm just gonna put these extras so we don't get confused. Okay, so we have our 20, and then we have our 3 and our 5 over there, right? Okay. So now start dividing, right? So maybe 2 or 3 at a time like we did last time. So let's do right here, right
It's gonna be
here,
hard because my
and
circles are.
see if you can get an even number of 10s in each one. Yeah.
We still have a lot of.
Okay, so can you keep going
Yep.
with your,
Yeah.
can you maybe fit one more in each?
Yeah, let's try.
So I got 4 in each.
Okay, so Ruth has 4 in each. How we doing?
Get these in, maybe.
Hmm?
Get these in too.
Well, can we fit the rest of these in those?
No.
In there? Why not? Why can't we do that?
Yes, you can. Because it's this
Why can't we do that?
Because there's only 3. There's no 5 in there.
Right, so we only have 3 of these. We don't have 5. So now, oh, Chrisbel, I think you're missing 3. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so, here, I'm gonna do it too. I think, yeah, there's 4 10s that go in each. Okay, so we should have 4 10s in each of our circles, right? Okay. So now we have our 3 left over, right? So what do we do with these? Chelsea said we can't put it in here, right? And she's right. So what do we do with these?